Ever wonder if Mars, our red neighbor, harbors an ocean in its past? The idea might seem far-fetched, but scientists have been puzzling over this question for years. The Martian landscape, with its valleys and channels, seems to suggest a watery past. And water, as we all know, is a vital ingredient for life as we understand it. There are different theories about Mars's past. Some suggest that the red planet was once warm and wet, hosting a vast ocean that covered a third of its surface. Others propose a colder, icier Mars, with occasional thaws that created temporary rivers and lakes. The idea of a Martian ocean isn't just a fascinating thought experiment, it's a critical question in our search for extraterrestrial life. If Mars was once home to oceans, it may have been home to life. So did Mars once hold a colossal ocean? Let's dive into the evidence. Journey with us back in time, when Mars was not the dry, barren landscape we see today. Picture a planet with vast bodies of water, a place where rivers meandered through valleys, and a mighty ocean filled an enormous basin, a basin so grand that it covered about a fifth of the planet's surface. This is the story of the discovery of Mars's lost ocean. Our tale begins with the remarkable observations of Mars made by our very own Earth-based telescopes. These observations revealed curious, sinuous features that looked suspiciously like dried-up riverbeds. Intrigued, scientists launched missions to the red planet, armed with instruments capable of peering beneath the Martian surface. As these missions traversed the rugged landscape, they uncovered tantalizing clues. They discovered minerals that form only in the presence of water, such as clay and sulfate. They found rounded pebbles, the kind that are usually tumbled smooth by flowing water. And they detected water molecules in the Martian atmosphere. But the most compelling evidence came from an unlikely source: Mars's very own topography. Using laser altimeters and radar sounders, scientists mapped the Martian surface and discovered an enormous basin in the planet's northern hemisphere. This basin, roughly the size of the Atlantic Ocean, had a shoreline marked by terraces and deltas, the kind you'd expect to find at the edge of an ancient ocean. Yet the question remained: where had all the water gone? Mars's thin atmosphere offered a clue. Over billions of years, the solar winds stripped away Mars's atmosphere, and with it, the water evaporated, leaving behind the dry and dusty planet we know today. But remember, these are not just dusty remnants of a bygone era. They are the footprints of a watery past, a past where Mars was not just wet, but possibly teeming with an ocean. So the evidence points to a past where Mars was not just wet, but possibly teeming with an ocean. But what does this mean for us? Unraveling the mystery of Mars's lost ocean isn't just about quenching our cosmic curiosity. It's about so much more. It's about rewriting the chapters of Martian history, reshaping our understanding of this enigmatic planet, and redefining the possibilities for life beyond Earth. The discovery of the lost ocean on Mars is akin to finding a missing puzzle piece in the grand cosmic jigsaw. It's a revelation that changes our perception of Mars from a barren, arid wasteland to a planet that once housed vast bodies of water. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. This find has compelled us to reassess our theories about Mars and its past, to reconsider the possibility that the red planet might have once been blue. But the significance of this discovery doesn't stop at the borders of Mars. It extends beyond, into the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond, into the deep, dark expanse of the cosmos. It raises the tantalizing possibility that if a planet as close and familiar as Mars could have once housed an ocean, then what about other planets? What about those distant, alien worlds orbiting other stars? Could they, too, have their own lost oceans, their own hidden histories, their own potential for life? The discovery of Mars's lost ocean has also paved the way for future space missions. It has turned Mars into a tantalizing target for exploration, a planet ripe with secrets waiting to be unearthed. The search for more evidence of water on Mars is now a priority, a quest that could yield even more exciting discoveries in the years to come. And so, as we continue to probe the Martian surface to uncover its secrets and unravel its history, we're not just exploring a planet. We're exploring the possibilities of life, the boundaries of our knowledge, and the limits of our imagination. As we continue to explore Mars, each discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe?